Today in art, we're going to learn about something really fun, how to create 3D art. So art that kind of looks like it's three-dimensional. And one way we can do that is to use an art form called perspective. And perspective is when, like if you're standing on a road and it's a straight road and you look all the way down the road, as things get further away from you, what happens to them? What do they look like? If you said they get smaller, you're right. So as you look down a long road, the road seems to get closer and closer together until it disappears into the horizon and it becomes one point. And all the things along the side of the road, like the fence or the trees or the houses, they get smaller the further away they are. And that is called perspective. So today we're gonna do a fun art project using perspective. So friends, these are some examples of 3D perspective art. See how this hallway starts wide at the bottom of your page, but then it gets more narrow as it goes towards the top. And all these shapes get more narrow as they go towards this dot. Same with this name. One side, it's small here, but it gets large on this side. These are all different examples of using perspective in art. So for our art project today, I'm gonna give you this paper that has a star, a triangle, and a rectangle on it. And also notice there's a little dot over here. We're gonna be using perspective today to learn how to make these shapes look 3D. Okay, friends, for this project, you just need your paper with your shapes on it. You need a ruler and a pencil. And then later when we color it, I think we're just gonna use colored pencils. That's what I like to use for this project. Okay, I'm gonna start with this diamond. And the first thing we're gonna do, this point over here, this dark little spot I made on your paper, is called the vanishing point. What does vanish mean? Like a magician says, I'm gonna make you vanish. You're right if you said that it makes things disappear. So this is the point where all the lines will disappear. They'll all come to this point. So the first thing I'm gonna do is line up my ruler with the corner of this diamond right here. And I'm gonna line it up with this point, the vanishing point. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just draw a line from the corner to the vanishing point. Then we go down to the bottom corner. You always line it up with the ruler and the vanishing point. Hold your ruler like your finger so it doesn't slide while you're drawing. Hold it tight. Go to the top corner, vanishing point. All right, you already made that diamond look 3D. How easy was that? Now, I'm gonna go to the bottom corner. We always do this from the corner of the rectangle. Line it up to the vanishing point. Hold your ruler, draw your line. Top corner. This far corner. And we don't have to draw it from this corner because technically this line is behind the box, so we will never see it. So we don't have to use that one. Okay, triangle corner, vanishing point. All right, all those shapes are pretty easy. The star's a little bit more tricky, so pay attention. Point. And then go up to this inside point right there. The other. All right, we don't have to do these outside ones because they would actually be behind the star, and we don't have to do this one. So let's do this one right here. This point to the vanishing point. I'm gonna do it this way so you can see it better. So I'm going from this point to the vanishing point. And I think that's all on the star. Oh wait, maybe this one. Let me see if we can do this one or not. Yeah, I'll do that one. Go from this inside one too. I think we can do that. All right, friends. There you have it. So now you just get to decorate your shapes however you want. I would advise you to take your time and make them look really cool. It's fun to do that. And then I like to use the colored pencils. Like, here's some examples. See how they used really cool designs and colors on their vanishing point pictures. And here's one that I finished. So I tried to make my shapes and lines all colorful and look really cool. So that's what I would like you guys to do too. Have fun learning about perspective and making your popping 3D shapes. See you next time.